As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and this ChuMaste 3-burner grill. First impression, the Charbroil seems way more portable.
Definitely. The Grill2Go is only 20 pounds, designed for tailgating and stuff. The ChuMaste is a hefty 51.92 pounds. Not exactly grab and go, but the ChuMaste has 3 burners.
True. The Charbroil only has one burner, putting out 9,500 BTU. The ChuMaste boasts 30,000 BTU across those 3 burners. That's a significant heat difference and a larger cooking area.
Exactly. The ChuMaste has 464.8 square inches of cooking space, including a warming rack. The Grill2Go is only 200 square inches. So if you're cooking for a crowd, the ChuMaste wins.
But the Grill2Go uses Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system. They claim it eliminates flare-ups and cooks food evenly, locking in juices. Does the ChuMaste have any special cooking tech?
Doesn't look like it, just standard stainless steel burners. It does have a built-in thermometer, which is handy, and foldable side tables for prep space. The Charbroil has a temperature gauge on the lid.
Good point about the side tables. The Grill2Go is a tabletop model, so you need a separate surface. What about materials?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel and aluminum components with porcelain-coated steel grates. The ChuMaste is mostly stainless steel with a powder-coated finish. Both seem reasonably durable.
The Charbroil is currently listed for $147.97 on Amazon, discounted from $199.99, and the ChuMaste is $168.99. So a slight price difference.
Right, but consider what you're getting. The ChuMaste is a full-size grill with more cooking power and space. The Grill2Go is smaller, more portable, and has that TRU-Infrared system. It depends on your needs.
I guess so. If I'm camping or tailgating, the Charbroil wins hands down. But for backyard barbecues, the ChuMaste probably offers more versatility.
Yeah, and one thing to note, the ChuMaste has fewer customer reviews and a slightly lower rating of 4.1 stars compared to the Charbroil's 4.5. So something to keep in mind.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.